If you're looking for information on the Freedcamp Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The Freedcamp Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Freedcamp Lifetime Deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the Freedcamp Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Trying to stay productive on a team feels a lot like you're in an infomercial. You know, the one where the woman opens her kitchen cabinet and is met with falling Tupperware containers. Now exchange Tupperware for all the projects your team is juggling, and you've basically got the same scenario. Fortunately, there's Freedcamp, your new project management system to stay on top of it all. Customize this project management system packed with feature sets and options to hide tools you don't use to avoid clutter. Reduce the amount of time required to stay on top of projects using this innovative, user-friendly interface. Freedcamp is a project management tool that helps teams collaborate effectively and complete projects in a fraction of the time. Most team collaboration platforms offer a suite of set features, even if you don't use half of them or need other tools to fill in the gaps. With Freedcamp, you get to customize your team's platform to make sure you've got the tools you need without the clutter of unnecessary features. Freedcamp gives you a custom suite of task lists, Kanban boards, subtasks, Gantt charts, and much more. Every project is different, which is why Freedcamp lets you use custom fields to add or take away project details. You can create tasks and organize projects by the details that actually help you stay on track. And if a field you need doesn't exist, you'll be able to create it in just a few clicks. Repetition may be the key to learning, but it can also be a monumental time waster. Cut unnecessary repetition out of your week by creating and saving template projects and tasks. This platform also makes it easy to plan projects visually and see your team's load across projects. Use Freecamp's Gantt charts to consider your calendar and projects with all their challenges, progress, and deadlines. Gantt charts help you stay ahead of the important things while keeping an eye on the little things. Freedcamp also offers a robust notification system that intelligently combines countless updates into a summarized list. You can browse notifications you care about and wait to check the less important pings for later. Productivity and collaboration don't always go hand in hand. Luckily, Freedcamp helps you stay on top of tasks, track progress, and organize everything digitally without the typical clutter. Make your whole team's week more productive. Why are you late? Get access to Freedcamp now. One-time purchase of $59 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.